This helicopter is just chilling out
Yeah,
here.
and are you getting this?
And now I'm doing a little video. It's just chilling. Ain't that some crazy stuff? Like, there's the roof of my
There's the
house.
bus. Yeah.
The kids' bus?
Yeah.
You saw it?
Yeah, down there.
It is chilling there. I don't know if there was an accident or what's the deal, but it is chilling.
So you know
It's
it's
been
not
out
the
there
kid.
for a hot minute. I ain't seen the bus yet.
It's coming, I think it's gonna be coming this way too. Like up the hill. You see it. Cause it just went that way.
We're nervously waiting for our kids to come home. And at the same time, there's a helicopter. Let me put there you go, just out here chilling.
Thank God it doesn't have guns.
And we saw a medic helicopter not that long ago. This has been out here about 15-20 minutes. Now it looks like it might be moving a little bit. Crazy.
You see that's the news? What would the news?